Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how you can return non-adjacent column in a table. If you look at the example we have here, we are able to return just two columns in this table depending on the category. So when we change this to medium, we're able to return the product on the medium, and also we'll come here and change the header from unit to total. We are also able to return. Sorry, I didn't spell that correctly. Let me spell it correctly. We are also able to return the total values, right? How did we do this? We are going to start from the very beginning. And the first one is how to return non-adjacent column. The second example will be on how to make the columns dynamic, alright? So we're going to clear this off and start again. We enter our equal sign and start with the filter function. The filter function allows us to select the array, but because we want to return non-adjacent column, we are going to use the Choosecols. Or first, let me demonstrate how the filter function works. The filter function requires an array, and the array is this table here, and the name of this table is the sales table, alright? So you can see the name shown there. When we select the table, I'm going to enter my comma, and the second argument says include. So this is actually the array or the range in this table that we want to filter. Now I want to filter based on the category, so I'm going to select the category range, and I want when the category range is equal to the value I have here. So I'm going to close this off and click enter. Now you see we are able to return the 4 native columns in this table consecutively, but this is not what we want to do. What we want to do is to return just 2 columns that are non-adjacent, right? Now I'm going to delete this, then we'll start again. To do that, we are going to enter our filter. Now this time around, instead of selecting the array, we are going to use a function called the Choosecols. The Choosecols or choose columns, it allows us to select a column in a table or an array. So the first argument says the array, the column number, right? The array is still this, so I'm going to select this. And we are to specify the columns that we want to return. We want to return the first column, so I'm going to enter 1. I also want to return the 4th column, which is D, right? The 4th, we're going to enter our 4th. We're going to close off the choose. Then we are to place our comma, and the second function in our filter says include. We're going to include this. This is what we want to filter based on, and we want it when it is equal to the value we have here. Close that off and click enter. Alright, so now we're able to return this based on our criteria. When I change this to medium or small, I'm able to see the values, right? Now this second example, we want to be able to filter or to make the columns dynamic, so that when we come here and change this from units to total or whatever, it returns the column values, right? To do this, we are going to come back to this and delete this, start again to enter the filter function in Excel. Now this time around, we are going to use the index and match function. The index tells us the value in any position, while the match function tells us the position number, alright? So we enter our index, and the argument says the array. The array is this table. We actually have 3 arguments there: the array, the row number, and the column number. So this is the array. We're going to select the array, enter our comma. The row number, this time we are going to use 2 functions in Excel to return the row number. The first one is the sequence function and the rows function. We are going to enter the rows function, next it in our sequence function, and select the array. Close off our row function, then close off our sequence function. So what happens? The row function will count the number of rows in the table, and the sequence function will number those rows, or generate number for the rows. Right? We are going to enter our comma. Now we are expected to enter the column number. This time we are going to use the match function because we actually want to return the value we have in this cell. So I'm going to use our match function to complete that or to make that header dynamic. Now our lookup value is this. Alright. The second argument says the lookup array. So where are we going to find this lookup value? This lookup value is on this table header. So it's our table header. We're going to select the entire table headers and we'll place our equal to. The third argument there says the type. Alright, we want to return the exact match. Close off our match function, then we'll close off our index function. Place our comma, and we are left with our filter argument, and the second one says include. So we want to include this range in this table, and we want when the range is equal to the value we have here. Alright, so I'm going to close this off and click enter. Alright, so this time we are able to make this dynamic. So if I come here and change it from units, from total to units, you see we are able to return the units. And we can also change this from products to maybe category or something. Because we are filtering by category, the results we are going to get will not be nice, but let's just try that out for you to see. Alright, so this is because we are filtering by category, so the result is not nice. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share in the comment section, comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.